Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and just share a fun, simple little ponytail that you can do if you're in a hurry or something you want to do for the spring or summertime. I feel like this is just really easy to just get your hair off your shoulders, and if you're like me and you have a lot of hair, you'll probably be doing this more than one time. So if you want to learn how to get this hair tutorial, or if you want to learn how to do this hair tutorial, then keep watching. Good morning everyone. So for today's video, I'm just gonna jump right into it so you can see what I'm doing and just learn everything very quickly, because this is so easy to do. So I'm just tying off the one side of my hair because I've already grabbed how much I needed. I'm gonna show you how I do it on this side. So I like to take my finger and I run it down the side of my head, and I just make sure it hits my ear and I know how much hair I need to grab then. So this is what I'm working with, and then both sides are equal. So I just like to make sure it is nice and smooth with my brush, and then I go ahead and start tying it back. So once you're done and you've tied it in the back, you can go ahead and start loosely separating it into two pieces. So you see in both hands, I'm grabbing two sections of hair and slowly, very little at a time, pulling that hair down. So you want to take that left side and you want to twist it and make sure no hair is in there, and you want to twist it, and then you want to create a little donut hole. And after you've made that little hole, you'll want to collect the rest of the hair and pull it through. Once you've pulled that hair through, it just lays on top of that little ponytail so perfectly. And then you just go ahead and fix any pieces you need to fix, spray anything down, make anything more secure, and you have this beautiful ponytail for the summer and spring weather. If you guys want to see future videos from me, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys thought. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you later.